morning. How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. Today is Wednesday, 16 December 2020. Yes, 6th student, we will do fabric part 1. I hope fifth lesson, next last lesson is clear. Did you all understand? You all have finished your exams, isn't it? Now study well, listen to the lessons properly, explanation and all. Good children. You all wrote okay. Fiber means what, ma? Fibers are very thin thread-like strands from which fabrics or cloths is made. Understood? Examples of fibers are cotton, wool, silk, flax, jute, nylon, polyester and polyacrylic. The fibers are spun into yarn which can then be woven on a loom to make a fabric or a cloth. Understood? How what are the different fiber means cloth? How is it made? With a thin thread like structure. Now there are three different seasons, isn't it? Summer, winter, and rainy. And how do we wear clothes differently according to the season? We'll see. Now types of fabrics. What are those? Linen, the cloth, crepe, jersey, silk, velvet, lace is there, isn't it? For girls' clothes, mostly velvet they wear, silk they wear, denim boys wear denim jeans, isn't it? Rayon shirts, linen shirts. Even you all wear silk shirts in parties and all, isn't it? Functions. There are the different types of fibers. Wear dresses. Do you know the material used for making school bags is also a kind of fabric? Fabrics are not only used for making cloths, they are also used in making banners, flags, shoes, curtains, in bookbinding, etc. Calico is a type of fabric used in bookbinding. Understood? How did you identify the type of fabric? How do we know that? Cotton fabrics are somewhat thicker than polyester fabrics. Isn't it? We cannot wear every time the same clothes. Cotton is wear in summer, isn't it? If you feel cool, relax in that sweaty season, you drink cool drinks, water, lot of water, juices, cucumber, watermelon. In cotton, we eat all these things and wear cotton dresses, coconut milk to keep us immune system ourselves from the sweat. To get rid of sweat, we keep ourselves to cool the temperature. So what happened? The cotton fabric, but it is thicker than polyester fabrics. Polyester is very in summer and in winter and wool winter season. Coarse cotton clothes are heavier. After washing, cotton gets wrinkled, isn't it? It's necessary to get it ironed. Silk fibers is smooth to touch, whereas woolen are somewhat heavier than silk. What are the threads in the fiber? How do we make? How do the in the factories? How are they made? Fibers are see in the picture on the computers, all of you. Fibers are the raw materials used to make textile items. They are spun or twisted together to make yarns. Then what are yarns? Yarns are made from fibers from either synthetic or natural sources. They are interlaced and interlooped or bonded together to make fabric. Got it? Now what is fabric? Fabrics are made from yarns, isn't it? Just now we are seeing it still. Different fabric types are produced by different methods of joining the yarns together. One by one, what are the characteristics of this fiber? There are two different types, natural and artificial. Natural means naturally which occur in the nature. Natural fibers absorb more water, they are biodegradable. Whereas synthetic or artificial fiber, they are durable and they are wrinkle free. They are used to make space suits, swimsuits, and fire resistant suits. Is the difference clear, children? Natural fibers are less durable, natural fibers are costlier, whereas synthetic or artificial is non biodegradable and they do not absorb sweat. Understood? That is a difference, main difference. Sweat they don't absorb. We feel synthetic. Now we are wearing in silk in this winter season, isn't it? Synthetic and all. If we sweat sometime, what will happen? We feel more hot. We don't feel relaxed because sweat is not absorbed there. Serial number, what are the characteristics, water absorbing nature, according to it, natural fiber and artificial fiber. This is your homework. See, the boxes are drawn there, isn't it? Columns. Time taken to dry, smell while burning, result. How it is making of yarn take place? Yarns are made up of thin strands called fibers. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. In this process, a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. Now see the cotton, how it comes on a plant, isn't it? White cottony. You can see in the picture. Chakra ladies use and they make a wheel. Tuckly, continuous twisting of the fiber will make yarn. Next is jute yarn. Strands of yarn are arranged in vertical and horizontal rows in loom to weave fabric. Jute yarn is known for their durability, strength, and flexibility. These yarns are widely used in manufacturing, knitting, and weaving of sieving threads. Understood? Yarn to fabric. What happens that the fabrics are the flexible materials which consist of a network, natural or artificial fibers produced by weaving the cotton, nylon, jute, wool, silk, or other threads together. The yarn to fiber, what happens? The yarn that is made from the fiber is used to make fabric. The fabrics are the flexible material which consists of a network of natural or artificial fibers produced by weaving cotton, nylon, jute, wool, silk, and other threads. What are the things to remember today? We saw silk is commonly obtained from silkworm. I think we did in third or fourth lesson. Okay, remember. However, in recent times, scientists have come up with an innovation wherein silk is produced from spiders, but it's not still confirmed. Scientists are research is going on. Corn fiber is a new innovation in the textile industry. The hair of yak is very useful in the production of warm clothes, mats, and sacks. Charles Mackintosh was a Scottish chemist who invented in 1823 a method for making waterproof garments. During the freedom struggle, what did Mahatma Gandhi encourage? People to wear clothes made of homespun khadi, isn't it? Yarn, khadi clothes. He used to wear it and he used to encourage people to wear that cloth. People burned imported clothes during Swadeshi movement, isn't it? No foreign clothes, people, foreign things. Do you know what happened? We all use polythene bags, isn't it, for different purposes. Polythene is very difficult to compose. It's not good. It's not healthy. To protect our environment, we should use cloth bags instead of polythene bags. Few time recently only, what was it? No polythene bags were there, isn't it? In shopping malls and supermarkets and brown bag, cotton brown bag they were using, isn't it? But again, but that scheme did not work more. Again, polythene bags came back. It's necessary for people. They don't understand easily, isn't it? Again, polythene bags we are using. Waldo L. Simon invented a new way to make polyvinyl chloride PVC useful. He created vinyl in 1970. Toray Industries scientist Dr. Miyoshi Okumune invented the world's first microfiber. So what is your homework for today? Difference between artificial and natural fibers. Okay, children, understood? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in tomorrow's class. All the best. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.